Hi, this is Carla from DIY Happy Home, here today to make a wreath. Here we go. We've got I bought this Hello wood carved Hello. I don't know if you can see. It's wood and it's fairly thick, about 3/4 of an inch. And this particular one I got at Flower and Home. It's a cool store. It's near Shady Maple, out past Honeybrook, Pennsylvania. And they have tons of cool crafts there. And let me open this paint. Here's the paint that I got. I'm going to actually paint it a metallic sterling silver. This one is, I don't know if you can see, it's Folk Art brand. By Plaid. There we go. Okay, so I have like one coat on so far and of the sterling silver paint here, and I do have to get all the edges because you might see it since it's going to be on my front door at a certain angle, and I'll probably do a second coat. As a matter of fact, I know I'll probably do a second coat. And then I'm going to try to do an aged look on the metal. The quote-unquote metal. It's not really metal. But, yeah, I'm going to try to do an aged look on this once this is painted. Okay, so my Hello is nice and dry. I did numerous coats, probably 3 or 4 coats. It has like a little shimmer to it, little metal shimmer, and I did the edges, of course. And I'm gonna try to age it a little bit. I don't know how this is gonna work. So I did buy, I have, actually I had it, I really didn't just buy it for this, but I have the Apple Barrel Black Paint by Plaid. And I watered it down with a sponge brush. And I'm going to just go over it, and I have a paper towel here that I'm going to do a quick once over and then do a wipe off to try to make it look a little bit like an older metal. So let's see if this works, and hopefully I won't destroy it. I'm just going to work real quick and go up and down, and then I'm going to wipe it off to try to get that aged metal look. I feel like I should do quick like painting sound effects. All right, let's go through there really fast. And then this part's going to be a little bit messy, but we're going to do a quick wipe off. And try to go in one motion so you have that like brushed look. And I do have a little pile of paper towels here in case my paper towels. Since this is my first time doing this, I would recommend next time that if you would start where you painted first, because in case it dries. If it dries too fast for you, you could always just get a damp towel and go over it with that to remove some. And try to keep your brush strokes up, 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 up. And let's move my paper towel around a little bit. I happen to have a little bit of water over here. And if it dries and you can't get the paint off, you can sand. So that's always the option. If you go too far and you want it a little bit less, you can always do that. So let me get a little bit of dab of water here. And we'll just go up and down here. There we go. I don't know if I'm going to bother doing the edges. Maybe I'll do them. I have to decide. But it's got it looks pretty good. I'm happy with it, I think. There. I'm kind of liking it. Next, I'm going to assemble my wreath. I'm going to heat up my hot glue gun, and I've got some cool greenery that I'm going to put on a grapevine wreath and then pull the whole wreath together. So stay tuned. Okay, so here I have a grapevine wreath that's about 17 or 18 inches wide, and I have some floral picks. These are lamb's ear picks, and I got these in a set of 2 at Walmart, and I'm trimming them down with my wire trimmers, cutting them down because I don't want the picks to be too far down into the wreath. So now I'm fluffing the lamb's ears. It's kind of like a Christmas tree where you have to kind of fluff them and maneuver them the way that you would like around the grapevine wreath. I'm trying to arrange and see what I like design wise, and I do really like these lamb's ear. I love natural lamb's ear that I have in my front yard, so I like that they're soft and fuzzy, and I like that it has a silver tone to them. I think that the silver tone kind of goes well with the silver toned hello that I painted for the center. So here I am, I'm still fluffing some of the lamb's ear. It takes a little bit of time to do that, and I do like that these came in a set of 2 because I kind of felt like I got a little more bang for my buck at Walmart. And it's kind of hard. I know that the dollar store sometimes does sell these the lamb's ear, but they fly out of there. Good luck trying to get them. Every time I go in, they seem to be out of them. So I was lucky to find these at Walmart. And even when I went to Walmart, the floral section at the Walmart I went to was very picked over. Here I have some string of pearl type succulents. They are, I'm going to put them on the bottom so that they can hang over the edge a little bit. I really thought they're interesting. And then I have one that looks like sedum. I got that at the Flower and Home Marketplace. That's in East Earl, Pennsylvania. And it's a really cool store. I really like everything that they have there. I think I have a couple more succulents here once I rearrange this one in. I've got a spiky one. I think I got that at Walmart. And this other one I got at the dollar store. And they're like floral picks. And I'm just going to rearrange and put them in. And that greenery there, it's boxwood. I decided not to use that for this project, but I actually think that that would look really cute for something at Christmas time. Boxwood is, or actually it is good for year round, but I decided to go with this silver lamb's ear instead of the boxwood for this project. So I'm just going to keep rearranging, and then I'm going to hot glue everything down once I get it the way I want. And once this is situated and everything's hot glued down, I will show you the finished product. I am very happy with how the wreath turned out. I do love the lamb's ear with the different succulents. And I like the finish of the silver toned hello. I hope you will subscribe to my channel, DIY Happy Home, for some more future projects and endeavors. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day.